Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce products by SKU with Product Importer using Excel. This is an incredibly useful skill if you manage an online store and need to update multiple products at once without manually editing each one. Let's jump right in and get this done efficiently. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you have access to all the necessary tools and plugins. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to plugin management. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugins library where you can browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. Now you're on the plugins page where you'll see a vast array of plugins available for your WooCommerce account. What you need to do here is locate the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type in Product Import. You're looking for a specific plugin that will handle your Excel imports seamlessly. From the search results, find the plugin called Product Excel Import and Export for WooCommerce. Once you spot it, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. This gives you a chance to understand its features and functions before committing to the installation. When you're ready and confident this is what you need, click on Install. Now, the installation might take a little while to complete, so just be patient and let it finish processing. Once the installation is done, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, look back at your left navigation panel. You should now see a new option labeled WP Factory. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Product Import Export. This is where the magic happens and the process becomes pretty straightforward from here. To update your products using SKU, you'll see a button that says Choose Files to Upload. Click on this button and a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll select your updated CSV or XLSX file that contains all the product information you want to update. Navigate through your files, locate the correct worksheet, and click on it to select it. Once selected, click on Open to proceed with the upload. Your products will immediately start uploading and updating based on the SKU information in your worksheet. This ensures that each product is matched correctly and updated with the new data you've provided. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your WooCommerce products by SKU using the product importer with Excel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.